sir, what's up mga kasayan? Ayan, at last, tapos na yung 12-week challenge. Congratulations sa lahat. Sobrang proud kami sa inyo. Grabe, ang ganda ng mga pinakita nyo. And, ayun, sana yung transformation nyo, wag nyo sayangin. Tuloy-tuloy nyo lang yung fitness and makapag-inspire na rin kayo ng ibang tao. For sure, yung ginagawa nyo yung journey na yan, lalo na yung mga family nyo or friends nyo na nakakita sa transformation nyo, for sure na-inspire yun. So, dun pa lang, grabe. And even including kami, kasi syempre, di ba, mostly, kagaya ko bodybuilder, ang nakikita ko lang na madalas ng mga ganyan is yung mga nagko-compete. Though may mga clients ako na nagta-transform din, pero nakakatuwa yung pinakita nyo na hard work na sabay-sabay kayong magkaka-gym tapos sabay-sabay yung 12-week transformation. So, ayun, kudos sa inyo lahat. And, yan, good luck sa mananalo. Most likely bukas, i-announce na yung winners. So, ayun lang, ulitin ko lang. Yung challenge na to is transformation. Kung sino man yung piliin ng judges. Yung judges, hindi ako kasama doon. Walang kasama sa management. Meron din tayong, tinanggal pa natin online voting. Meron tayong challengers voting, yung mga challengers yun, tsaka yung members dito sa gym. So, pero ang pinakamarami pa rin doon, pinakamalaki is yung judges. At 70% yung judges. So, yan, congrats sa lahat ng mananalo. Sana magtuloy-tuloy pa. Sayang hindi natin nagawan ng event dahil ang unang plenaro namin, kung matatapos sana yung second floor, doon sana natin gagawin. Pero, try pa rin natin magkaroon tayo ng announcement in person, doon sa winner, tapos post natin siya sa Facebook. And at least ma-recognize siya na siya yung unang kasi meron sa babae, meron sa lalaki. Sila yung unang winners ng 12-week transformation ng KSYN, okay? So, ayan, abangan nyo pala yung branches ng KSYN, Makati branch, and yung isa pa. Announce ko soon once nag-sign na, okay? So, sunod-sunod tayo. Actually, mayroon din tayong mga parating na meeting tungkol sa franchising. So, ayan, kung interested kayo mag-franchise, paramihin natin yung KSYN. And mas gagawa pa tayong mas malaking challenge soon. Malay nyo magkaroon tayo ng show. Hindi bodybuilding show na parang ganito. Pero nag-rent tayo ng malaking place. Meron na tayong audience, di ba? So, ayan. Kasi dati, ano lang step by step eh. Dati nga, home gym, napunta ng gym, di ba? So, ito namang show, small show, bigla magiging big show balang araw. So, yan. Salamat sa suporta nyo. Salamat din sa lahat ng nanonood. Alam ko, hindi masyadong malakas yung engagement ito sa YouTube. Pero, okay lang kasi ang pinaka the best dun is yung na-cater natin yung mga coaches natin. Nagkaroon sila ng classes, di ba? So, nakakatawa yun. And yun, yung mga nag-a-attend ng class ng mga challengers, at least nakikita rin sila. So, congrats sa winners. Hindi ko pa alam kung sino yung panalo. Pero, congrats sa'yo, okay?
Unang reason ko well, nasa fitness naman ako for like 1 year. Sabi ko gusto ko lang magkaroon ng extra sauce yung fitness journey ko. So sabi ko sali ako ng challenge para magkaroon din ng somehow ma-challenge din yung sarili ko, ma-push through limit talaga. So ayun, magkaroon na ng extra sauce, mas ganahan palalo.
Yung reason ko kaya ako sumali sa 12 Weeks Transformation Challenge is of course gusto kong pumayat. And kasi meron akong PCOS, so yun yung nagko-cause talaga kung bakit ako lumaki or tumaba. Actually, to be honest, umpisa hesitant talaga ako sumali kasi feeling ko walang changes after 12 weeks. Pero sabi ko, sige na nga, ititake ko na tong chance na to. Baka sakaling may magbago sa physical appearance ko, mas umokay yung health ko. Yan, yun yung reason.
First is para ma-challenge yung sarili ko at mapatunayan na kaya isabay ang fitness kahit busy ka man.
Ayun. Una-una para matalo ko yung dating ako. Tsaka number 1 talaga para maging healthy kasi sobrang dami kong bisyo before. So parang ito na yung pinaka-give back ko para sa sarili ko ngayon.
First reason ko kasi summer. So may maraming lakad, maraming beach trips para hubad ready.
Pinaka-reason ko kung bakit ako sumali sa 12 Weeks Transformation Challenge, gusto kong i-push yung sarili ko dun sa makakaya ko talaga. Kasi nag-start ako dito palainom. Yan, wala ibang ginagawa kundi kumain lang ng kung ano-ano. Siguro hindi ko na napofokusan yung health ko. Yan.
Reason. Of course, to be healthy and at the same time, para malaman ko rin yung limit ko in terms of being healthy and probably be fit na rin, physically fit.
Sumali ako kasi I feel na parang hindi pa ako yung body ko and marami pa akong kailangan i-improve and I think itong challenge na to mas mapapa-improve ko yung sarili ko dito.
Yung reason ko kaya sumali ako sa 12-week challenge is kasi since nung pandemic, mabigat ako, like overweight. So, naging challenge ako doon na magpapayat. Kaso, drastic yung naging weight loss ko doon. Kaso bumalik din kasi hindi tama yung naging approach ko. Ngayon sa 12 weeks, kaya ako ngayon nga sinalihan kasi mas may mag-guide sa akin. So kumbaga hindi ko mauulit yung same mistake na ginawa ko dati. So yun lang halos nag-motivate sa akin, at least proud ako sa itsura ng katawan ko. Hindi na ako overweight and maraming clothes na pwede kong masuot na perfect fit sa body type ko. So yun lang.
Siguro for me yung magbilang ng macros kasi yun yung talagang hindi ko magamay at first kasi biroy mo, kakainin mo na lang, titibangin mo pa, pero as the time goes by, mas na-appreciate ko siya ngayon kasi yung food intake talaga, yung proper nutrients talaga na kinukonsume mo, yung pinakamalaking part sa weight loss or sa fitness journey. So yun.
Yung pinaka-challenging is, syempre nandun yung cravings. Parang, syempre sobrang strict na sa diet. Hindi ko na nakakain yung mga kinakain ko before. And syempre, struggle siya mentally and physically kasi pagod ka. So, ayun, pagod ka, tapos talagang yung goal mo na lang yung nagpapa-push sa'yo.
First and second month sa meal prep, di ako mapagluto sa condo kaya naghanap ako ng alternative. Tapos, yung sa mga gym, wala pa ako nung dati sa condo, kaya ayun.
Yung buong 12 weeks, hindi siya madali. Lalo na yung 4 weeks out nung nagtanggal na kami ng kanin at saka yung peak week na nagbawas kami ng tubig. Tapos kung kailan ka mas pagod at nangihina, dapat mas lalo ka dun sipagin kasi yun yung parang pinaka-importante na madadagdag dun sa resulta na meron ka.
Pinaka-challenging part is yung meal prep. Kasi maraming mga lakad, maraming invitation. So, kumbaga, kailangan mo mag-adjust. Other day, napag-kumain ka na marami ngayon, bukas, less kain.
Pinaka-challenging part ng 12 Weeks Transformation Challenge ay yung mag-prepare ka every day. Maging discipline ka dun sa routine na dapat mong sundin. Siyempre, pag-workout, yung family time mo din, siyempre, pag kayo kakain sila sa labas, hindi na yung usual food na sa fast food lang. Meron ka dapat talagang routine at saka yung protocol na dapat sundin para ma-achieve mo talaga yung goal na dapat mong makuha.
Challenging part is regarding sa time. Of course, on a daily basis, no? Syempre, nandun pa rin yung work. Work night, lalo na night shift. So, mostly nag-workout ako morning, which is after work. So, medyo pagod. And at the same time, yung rest and regarding din sa family. So, challenging din daw kasi sometimes walang time makapag-workout kasi nakafocus din sa family. And at the same time, yung pagod mo rin galing ng night shift, kailangan mo rin magbigay ng alat ng time para makapagpahinga. So, para syempre may lakas ka rin para makapag-workout.
Pwede ba sabihin lahat? Mostly, pagdating sa challenge, yung pinakamahirap is yung diet. Sobrang hirap sundan ng diet, lalo na palapit ng palapit, pababa yung macros. No? Mental talaga yung hirap eh. Diet ang pinakamahirap.
Challenging sa 12 weeks is yung first 2 weeks challenging kasi kumbaga parang bumubuelo ko eh. So kumbaga yung first 2 weeks para sa akin, para maging consistent doon, kailangan talaga on point, kumbaga hindi bibigay sa cravings, sa lahat ng excuses na hindi makapunta sa gym. So kumbaga once na makabuelo ko nung first 2 weeks, magtutuloy-tuloy na siya. So eventually, mas higher challenge lang sa akin din yung sa papalapit. Kasi syempre, mas kumbaga ilang weeks na lang yan. No? So, pero pinaka-main challenge is first 2 weeks kasi makakabuelo ka na doon.
Well, probably yes. Kasi sabi ko sa sarili ko, lifetime commitment to sa akin itong fitness. So, regardless kung magba-bulk up na or mag-continue lang, magme-maintenance lang doon sa kung ano yung naging result ng 12 weeks. So, continue pa rin, tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Yun pa rin, buhat pa rin. Yeah.
Yes, iko-continue ko pa rin. Kasi nakabuelo na ako eh. Nakikita ko na yung changes physically. And feeling ko ngayon wala pa ako dun sa goal week ko. Kaya after nitong 12 weeks, bala ko pa rin siyang i-continue.
Continue na. Naka-meal prep pa rin, tas lifestyle approach. Pero mas conservative ngayon kasi mas alam ko na yung mga calories ng kinakain ko tsaka yung mga pwedeng maging effect at resulta sa akin.
Yes. Bala ko after graduation, sumali sa mga competitions din.
Oh, of course. Parang naging habit ko na rin kasi yung since 12 weeks ako nagpe-prepare, nag-ready. So yung mga prep meals, yung pag-gym like 4 to 5 times, medyo naging habitual actions ko na. So in the next weeks...
Yes, iko-continue ko to. Kaya ko naman to ginagawa. Hindi ko naman dahil pinapahirapan yung sarili ko, kundi yung long term din. Kasi ayoko naman maging slave ng sakit. Lalo na kung hindi ko i-continue yung fitness journey ko. Kasi hindi lang naman to basta pagpapaganda ng katawan, kundi marami ding aral na mapupulot dito. Una yung siyempre, disiplina, ipagiging consistent mo dun sa ginagawa mo. At saka din, siyempre, may mga challenger din na iba. Yun, kaibigan mo din kasi sila. Huwag mo silang tignan na kalaban kasi paangat kayo lahat dito, tulungan lang.
Yes, definitely. Yun talaga yung main goal ko. So, to be physically fit and may long-term goal din.
Of course, yes. Nakita ko yung importance ng pagbubuhat kasi kinumpare ko yung sarili ko dati sa sarili ko ngayon, yung dating napakalaking taong laging sakitin, laging madaling hingalin. Nung nakita ko yung benefits ng pagbubuhat, nag-commit na ako. Kaya after the 12 weeks, yes, magpapatuloy ko pa rin.
Itutuloy ko kasi based kasi dun sa height ko, ang borderline na weight ko para maging overweight is 71. So, sa akin sana, kung i-reach ko yung 71, masyado siyang payat para sa akin. So, hopefully, ituloy ko siya para at least bumaba man ako ng up to 75, 74 na mas mababa yung body fat. Tsaka, syempre, visible yung abs. So, yun, continue.
Siyempre maging si Master, maging sila Master Ken, Coach Mado, sila Ming Stan. So yun talaga. Kaya rin dito ako nag-gym sa KSYN is because of them. So yun yung pinaka goal ko sa fitness journey na to.
Yung ultimate fitness goal ko is syempre maging fit physically and absorb ng body ko yung proper nutrients. Syempre, iwas na rin sa mga junk food and ma-maintain ko kung ano man yung magiging weight ko after 12 weeks or malagpasan pa yun. Ayun yun.
Siguro na as of now, nakuha ko na nagbago ko, na natalo ko yung dating ako. Pero siguro sa future, kung papala rin, tsaka kung para sa atin, try natin mag-compete sa susunod na taon.
Ultimate fitness goal, by the time na magkaanak ako, masabayan ko pa siya sa mga trip niya in terms of sports and anything.
Ultimate fitness goal, wala pa for now, pero yung nasa mindset ko lang is magiging active and healthy.
Siguro yung malang competition, yung parang bodybuilding na body. Yun siguro. Kasi sa future, baka hindi natin masabi kung makuha natin talaga yung goal natin sa after ng 12 weeks transformation challenge. Pwede tayo mag-try ng mga competition. Kasi since itong ang KSYN, dito ako natuto talaga or nakakita ng talagang bodybuilder. Yun, inspiration ko siya. So, sana makuha ko yung talagang goal ko dun sa end ng 12 weeks challenge.
So yun, as much as possible, maging physically fit and at the same time, not only losing body fat but also will gain muscle. And of course, nandun na rin yung mga iniiwasan nating sakit. So syempre, pag healthy ka, mas prolong din yung life mo. At the same time, mawala rin yung I mean, para maging healthy ka rin. So, yeah.
My ultimate fitness goal, isa lang yan, to be the best version of myself.
Ultimate fitness goal ko is, syempre, during 12 weeks, gusto ko rin kasing merong yung sa sarili ko, bumaba yung timbang ko, maging pleasant yung itsura ko. And fitness goal ko is syempre makapag-motivate din ng ibang tao kasi during the 12 weeks na program na ginagawa namin, hindi lang naman ako yung nagbibigay motivation din sa mga challengers. So kumbaga nabibigyan ko rin sila ng push. So kumbaga parang pag-igihan pa nila yung program nila, same as sa akin. So yun yung parang magkaroon ng good positive mindset, influence, motivation sa fitness. So yun lang.
Yo, what's up? Gusto ko lang i-congratulate lahat ng kasali sa 12 Weeks Transformation ni Kasayan Fitness Gym, and sa mga nanalo, sobrang congratulations, and keep it up, keep on inspiring, and keep grinding. God bless!
Yo, what's up? This is Coach Flex. Sa lahat ng challengers dyan, syempre, first of all, kinocongratulate ko na kayo kasi hindi rin mahirap yung ginawa nyo, and alam natin yung disiplina na ginagawa natin during that transformation. And congrats and good luck to all of you, sa mga winners, congratulations. Sa mga hindi nanalo, alam niyo naman, kahit di kayo nanalo dun sa transformations nyo pa lang na nangyari, is nanalo na rin po kayo. And good luck and thank you very much.
Hi guys, I'm Thea. I'm a bikini athlete and I'm with my fiance.
Ryan, men's physique athlete.
Yun, so sa lahat ng sumali dun sa Transformation Challenge, guys, congratulations sa inyo.
Congrats!
Yeah, tapos na din. So, I'm pretty sure ngayon na-realize nyo na lahat na yung Transformation Challenge is really more than just physical. So, na-challenge din siguro kayo sa discipline nyo, sa pagpupunta sa gym, sa pakikinig kay coach, and your meals, lahat na yan. So, yun, sa mga nanalo, congratulations. So, for all of you, we considered your point A to point B transformation. So, ang lalaki, nag-change talaga yung weight nyo and yung measurements nyo. So, that's a really big achievement. So, congratulations. And we both hope na sana, even after this transformation, magtuloy-tuloy pa rin yung discipline nyo. I hope na you all still continue to go to the gym, and yung diet nyo, sana tuloy-tuloy pa din. So, ayun lang. We hope to see you guys in Kasayan. So, training tayo, sabay-sabay tayo. See you guys. Congrats!
Congrats!
Bye!
Good day guys. So, Coach Floro ng Team Ascend, Pro Natural Bodybuilder. Congrats nga pala sa lahat. Una sa lahat, congrats sa lahat ng sumali dito sa challenge. So, tinignan ko, lahat nag-improve. Ang galing, ang galing. So, congratulations sa inyong lahat. Doon pa lang panalo na kayo. Kasi, napakahirap mag-lose ng weight. Lalo na, karamihan sa inyo hindi lang nag-lose ng weight, nag-gain pa. So, napakaganda ng transformation nyo. Kumbaga, wala kayong talo dito sa sinalihan nyo. Nag-improve kayo. So, tuloy-tuloy nyo yan guys. Again, congratulations dun sa mananalo. So, astig, ang galing, nakakabilib. Tuloy-tuloy guys. Salamat nga pala kay Brother Ken sa tiwala na kinuha niya ako para mag-judge nitong event niya na to. Okay guys? Peace out.
I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I am only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Yeah, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me. I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Whoa, whoa, clear out the room, I'm coming through, they wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill, I'm on a paper route. Extra, extra, read read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost the snapping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm rapping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm rapping.
Sending emojis. I'm blowing a pack of that OG. Don't be acting like you know me. And if you did, that's the old me. Winter time, rock a cold fleece. Pocket fat, that's obese. Only talking money if it's increased. She give me brain, girl, no teeth. I touch down, bust down. She busted open for a real day. Stay Tommy'd up, trying to build it up, trying to count it up, hill figures. Don't be chillin' with no lil, no. And if I do, I be real with them. Chase a dream, that's a meal ticket. ISO gang, yeah, they still with us. I put it in motion, they got me steady. Thoughts on my mind, it's weighing heavy. Watch how I shine, tell them I'm ready. I'm hitting my stride, let's get to the Fetty. I was just sitting back watching them fold. Racks on me now, yeah, it's looking swole. I hold it down and I got my own. Keeping it grown, we back to the bone. Yeah, flying flashy, ayy, ayy. We too fancy, ayy, ayy. Can't walk past me, ayy, ayy. Right up your alley, wait. I gotta play it safe. Watch me isolate, watch me isolate, ayy. Watch me isolate. Whoa, clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost the snapping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm rapping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm rapping.
Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra. Work with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Whip this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Yeah, oh shoot. They don't let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission, every enemy listening. Get off my dick, I got bad intentions. Make it right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the ropes. Peace in my town, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots if they wanted to smoke. If you know, then you know. Suited up, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. Ready for war, I was born with grenades. The trenches where soldiers are made. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever.
Okay, so guys, nandito na tayo sa exciting part. Siyempre, ulitin ko lang, congratulations sa inyong lahat Salamat sa pag-inspire sa amin and pag-motivate. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa buong 12-week transformation challenge na to. And more challenge na ganito mangyayari soon, lalo na kapag dumami na yung KSYN. So, at least salamat, naging part kayo nung first challenge na to. Okay? So, yun, ang first ever na nanalo nung 12-week transformation challenge para sa lalaki ay si Christian Jaire Santos.
My cries and watch me weep. I love everything.
Siyempre, congratulations sa'yo. Sa lahat din ng mga kalaban mo, congratulations. Lahat sa inyo. And siyempre, sa buong Team KSY na rin, nakakasabay natin mag-gym yung mga challengers na yan, di ba? Kasi for sure, yung iba sumabay din dyan. And then, dun naman sa female, actually 3 na lang yung natira sa kanila. So, congrats sa lahat. And actually, yung mga nauna rin, congrats. Siyempre, may personal reasons sila kung bakit sila nag-back out. So, naintindihan naman natin yun. So, para sa babae naman, ang nanalo ng 12-week transformation challenge ay si Bernadette Santos.
Take my eyes open.
Ayan, nakalimutan ko pala banggitin yung prize ng competition natin. So, ayan, for the first place para sa lalaki at sa babae, 25,000 each. And then, magkakaroon sila ng 1-year free gym pass dito sa KSY Fitness Gym. So, congratulations sa inyo. At hindi lang din nagtatapos. Siyempre, meron pa tayong... Kasi nakita namin sobrang ganda nung event, nung competition, nung challenge. Grabe. Ang talagang lahat nag-effort. Siyempre, kailangan din natin bigyan ng prize yung pinaka best physique. Diba? Kasi, pero yung challenge itself, alam nyo kasi, transformation siya. So, ito pala, sabihin ko lang sa inyo, para lang sa info sa inyo, alam nyo, hindi kasali yung management dun sa judging. Ito naman mga consolation prize, management ito, kasi kumbaga parang ano lang namin ito, bigay na lang namin sa inyong mga challengers, okay? So, ayan, best physique, magkakaroon tayo ng prize dyan. Ang premyo natin is 5,000 pesos para sa best physique. So, yan, shoutout sa'yo kung sino ka man, mananalo. Pag-meetingan pa kasi mamaya. And meron pa pala 6 months free gym pass dito sa KSY. Grabe, generous ng KSY yan ha. Tapos, hindi lang yon, meron pa tayong, siyempre, sayang din naman yung mga top 3, top 4, top 5. Bukod dun sa dalawang winners, magkakaroon tayo ng premyo rin doon sa overall top 3, 4, 5. Kami na rin ang mamimili nun. So, siyempre, top 1 na natin and top 2 yung dalawang winners natin, which is nalo ng 25,000. Para naman sa top 3, 4, and 5, magkakaroon sila ng 50% discount dito sa KSY Fitness kapag nag-avail sila ng monthly pass, 6 months, for 6 months. So, it's either monthly or kung gusto nyo, 6 months na yung kunin nyo, naka 50% na yun. So, congrats sa lahat ng sumali. Sana nag-enjoy kayo.
Just picking up daisies. Got 1 too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah.
Season 2, abangan nyo ha. Ngayon, mas marami na yung KSYN, mas abang-abang yan kasi bawat branch meron kasali. Okay? Pero hindi yung laban-laban branch. Ang mangyayari, bawat branch magkakaroon ng mga challengers. Dito challengers din, sa branch na to challengers din. And then isang competition siya. Okay? So yan, kita-kita tayo sa next vlog. Maraming salamat sa suporta. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa challenge na to. And yun ulit, salamat sa pag-inspire sa buong team KSYN. Siyempre, na bumuo ng challenge na naghirap. Actually, nahirapan kami pagtali, pati pag yung oras. Pero worth it siya, sobrang worth it and nakakatuwa. Ayan, congrats sa ating lahat. Always the youngest boy. So, syempre, be legendary. Day 1, man.